Imagine your best TikTok content, the videos that prove your products are loved, working directly on your Shopify store to drive sales. The entire process starts inside your Shopify admin from your dashboard. Click on the Apps section on the left-hand menu, and then visit the Shopify App Store. Here, search for TikTok feed. You'll see several app options. Look for one with high ratings and positive reviews like TikTok Feed and Gallery or TikTok for Shopify. Once you've chosen your app, click the Add App button. Shopify will guide you through the installation and permissions process. Just follow the prompts. After installation, the app will ask you to connect your TikTok source. This is where you enter your TikTok username, a specific hashtag you use, or even a sound link to pull videos directly into your store. The app will then display a live preview of the feed. It will take a moment to customize the layout. You can often choose the number of columns and how many videos to display. Now go to the part of your store where you want the feed from your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Navigate to the product page template. In the customizer, look for the Add Block option. Usually on the left sidebar, scroll through the list until you find the new block added by your app. Name something like TikTok Feed or Social Gallery. Simply drag and drop this new block into your desired spot on the page. A great location is right below the product description to provide powerful social proof before the Add to Cart button. And that's it. Click Save, and your TikTok feed is now live. Watch as real customer videos build trust, showcase your products in action, and keep shoppers engaged right on your site.